Hello everyone, my name is Shadan Siraj and I'm currently doing an internship under Lexis and Company. So today we'll be discussing the difference between copyright and trademark. Copyright is a right given to the creators of literary, musical, dramatic and artistic works and the producers of cinematograph, films and sound recordings. A copyright doesn't protect names or brands, slogans, short word combinations, short phrases, plots, method, or factual information. A copyright also doesn't protect ideas or concepts. Hence, a copyright is mostly used to protect the creativity of the people like writers, artists, designers, etc. Whereas a trademark is a word or a visual symbol being used by any business to help people distinguish its goods or services from that of the other similar goods or services which may be originating from a different business gets protected. Trademark application must be filed to register a trademark by the applicant with the relevant trademark register in the format that has been prescribed. Trademarks are generally used to protect the brand names, business names, slogans, and much more. Now, what is the importance of copyright and trademark? A copyright is used to prevent others from using your creation without consent. A trademark is issued to help distinguish and differentiate your brand mark or logos from others. Now, what is the area where copyright and trademark are applicable? A copyright is applicable all over the world. It is applied to artistic and literary creations. A trademark is limited only to a certain area in its application. Typically, it is applied to goods and services. The area of limitation may be increased or decreased on the basis of international and national usage. Now, what is the difference between copyright and trademark? Both copyright and trademark have their different and distinct uses. Their validity and the requirement for registration also varies as follows. Copyright is generally used to secure the literary, music, dramatic, and the artistic works, including the cinematograph, films, and the sound recording. A software or tables and databases can all be registered as a literary work under Copyright Act. A copyright is a legal right in the eyes of the law which gives an exclusive right to an individual who originally creates the work. Any individual with a copyright must use its judicious way as per the provisions of the copyright law. Whereas trademarks are generally used by individuals, commercial and non-commercial bodies to protect the brand names, business names, slogans, and more. A concept or an idea or software cannot be trademarked, but a unique name given to a concept or a software can be trademarked. A lot of businesses use their trademark on the packaging of their products or on the product itself. This provides them with the protection against their goods, brands, or mark from other people using it. The people who own the trademark can pursue a legal action against any person using their trademark. Now comes the registrar. In copyright, the review and acceptance of a copyright application is controlled by the Copyright Office, Department of Higher Education, and Ministry of Human Resource Development. Whereas in trademark, the review and the acceptance of the trademark application is controlled by the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademark, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Now comes the validity. In copyright, the broad rule is that a copyright lasts for 60 years. In case of an original literary, dramatic, artistic, and musical works, the 60-year period is counted from the year following the death of the author. In case of a cinematograph, films, photographs, and sound recordings, posthumous publications, and anonymous and pseudonymous publications, the works of the government and the works of the international organizations, the 60-year period is counted from the date of the publication. As trademark registrations are valid for a period of 10 years from the date of application. The validity can be extended at the end of 10 years by filing a trademark renewal application. Thank you.